Hi, this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. You can create 1099s in QuickBooks Desktop to send to your contractors and file with the IRS. Note that if you want to create 1099s in QuickBooks Online, then you should watch this other video. Let's go over how to prepare your 1099s in QuickBooks Desktop and how you can file them after January 1st. Here's some important notes about 1099s. QuickBooks Desktop supports both the 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC forms. 1099s are due to contractors by January 31st. The 1099 NEC is due to the IRS by January 31st. The 1099 MISC is due to the IRS by February 28th if you file on paper, or by March 31st if you file electronically. To start creating 1099s, go to Vendors, then 1099 Forms. Select Print/e-File 1099 Forms. Here, you'll need to select which 1099 form you need to file. If you need to file both the 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC, you must prepare and file them separately. For this example, we'll show you how to prepare the 1099 NEC, as this is the most common. Select Get Started under 1099 NEC. Select the 1099 vendors that should get a 1099 NEC. If a vendor is missing, they aren't marked as a 1099 vendor. Close this window and go to Vendors, then Vendor Center to update them. When you're finished choosing your vendors, select Continue. Next, you'll review your vendor's info. If you need to add or change anything, select the field you want to update and enter your changes. When finished, select Continue. On this screen, tell us where the amounts paid from each account should appear on Form 1099 NEC. We'll select NEC Box 1, Non-Employee Compensation for this example. This is the most common payment type. If you need to create 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC forms, note that you can only map an account to one of these forms. When you're done mapping your accounts, select Continue. The IRS requires you to exclude from 1099 forms any payments you make by credit card, debit card, gift card, or PayPal. Included and excluded payments show all the payments you made to the selected vendors. Select View Included Payments or View Excluded Payments to view the payments you made for each vendor and update as needed. When you're ready, select Continue. Review the list of contractors and payments. In our example, these contractors will receive a 1099 NEC. When you're ready, select Continue. Now your 1099 NEC is complete. You have two options from here. You can print your 1099s and mail them to your contractors and the IRS, or e-file them with the IRS using Tax 1099 into its preferred partner after January 1st. Now you're ready to create 1099s for your contractors in QuickBooks Desktop.